Okay guys, so I got the screen replacement for the DELL inspiron 7567 from laptop screen from PC, and this is what we got. Let's see. I'll show you how it tries to replace it right now. Let's see. We got exact 4. Okay. And of course we didn't got the Samsung one, so everyone else's. Instead we got this motherfucker. Okay, let's start with the replacement. Okay guys, so first when it's start removing the frame of the laptop, here as you can see, there are some clips behind the laptop, so you need to be careful when you're trying to take it out. I will pause this and I will try to do it with both hands because I don't really want to fuck this up. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so here as you can see, we got the edge of the frame, so we're gonna keep doing this thing. Let's go top. Then try to pull this. Then you can just slide your finger like this and everything should pop right off. So yeah, I just basically need to do this around the whole screen, and you just need to be careful to not snap the teeth of the frame, so otherwise it could become flimsy or something like that. So let's finish this up. So guys, once you have taken the whole frame out of the laptop, you should have this piece. Right now I just put it to the side, and then you're gonna have 4 screws, one here, one on top, one on the right corner, one on the bottom corner, and here behind this you have the 30-pin connector of the screen, so there you have to be extra careful because you don't want to rip the flex cable, or otherwise you're kind of fucked. So yeah, let's take those screws and I'll show you how to remove that flex connector. Okay guys, so once you have removed all the 4 screws, you want to gently pull the screen towards you and lay it down on your keyboard. Right here, I don't know if you can see, behind this tape there should be a pin connector, so you should be able to put the cable right off. Let me see if I can uncover this so I can show you better. So yeah guys, let me show you. Once you peel this little piece of tape, you're gonna have this little piece right here, so you only need to pop it up and the flex cable should pop back off. So let's do that right now. And okay guys, here we have the screen full install, and guys, let me tell you, this screen is way fucking better. Like, it was only I think $68 or something, and no, for $68 it's a freaking big improvement. Just look at those angles. Like, forgive me for not taking a video or pictures with the thin screen, but that thing is bullshit, man. It's bullshit. Like, just look at these freaking angles, man. Damn, this is a great screen. And as far as I can see, I only got one stock pixel right there. Obviously you can see it, and that's it. I can see any backlight bleeding, like there's nothing at all. It's a really good display. Like, I don't really know, guys, what brand this is. I'm not technical like that stuff, but guys, I just love this screen. Like, it's a big improvement. Trust me, it's well worth it. If you can buy it, guys, just go ahead and do it. I will leave the link in the description of the store that I got it from eBay. And guys, it's totally fucking worth it. And yeah, I don't have the red keyboard because this is the Spanish version of it. So yeah, I will only get the white keyboard, which I like a little bit better, if you ask me. Yeah, guys, that's it. Oh look, let me see. Brightness is fully working. 0, well, not 0, but yeah, minus, more, yeah, blah blah. It's working really good, guys. So I really advise you to fucking to fucking go and buy one screen, guys. The replacement is so freaking easy. Basically, you only need to be careful with the 30-pin connector in the back to pop the little pin out and take it out, and that's it, guys. That's everything you have to do. Wow. So, peace.